tasty, tasty barbecue ribs in the Instapot. Coming up right now. Alright, let's get started. So we have here ribs. I already cut them up. I actually soaked these for a couple hours in some vinegar. You can use apple cider vinegar, you can use white vinegar, rice vinegar, whatever you want to use. I just chose to use a white vinegar. And barbecue sauce and some more. Well, a little bit of the white vinegar that I soaked that in. I'm going to put it in here and cook it. So, this is real quick, real simple, real easy. I'm going to take my barbecue sauce, I'm going to dump it into my Instapot. My vinegar, put that in there, mix it up a little bit. I'm actually going to put some water in my barbecue sauce container so I can make sure I use all of it. Yeah, I want to use every little bit of piece like that. Alright. Pour that in there like so. Boom. We'll let that start to heat up. So we're going to put this on saute so it can start to heat up a little bit. Now I'm using Memphis style barbecue seasoning because I like it. That's why I'm using it. You can use whatever you want. You can use just salt and pepper, whatever the case may be. But I'm going to put a nice coating on these suckers like that. Woo. So after we got it nice and seasoned, we got our liquid in the Instapot. I'm going to take our meat and put it in the Instapot. That rub smells really good. It smells really good. So we just put it in so it's in the liquid but not submerged in the liquid. Put our top back on it. So if you're still watching, I'd like to know what you like best about this video, what you didn't like about the video. Hopefully you liked everything about the video. And if you're thinking about clicking away, why are you thinking about clicking away from the video? Anyway, I'm so glad you guys came. But we're going to take this and we're going to put it on high pressure at 25 minutes. Alright, we're going to let that work its magic, do its thing. See you in 25 minutes. You know, I was thinking, why not roast some veggies while we wait for the ribs to be done cooking? So what I decided to do was, I got some frozen vegetables from my freezer. Now you can buy some fresh frozen veggies, or fresh veggies, or whatever you decide to do, but this is what I had in the freezer. So that's what I'm going to use. So I have a garlic seasoning mix here that I'm going to sprinkle on that sucker. Like that. Then we're going to go and preheat the oven to 450 degrees. Bring that up to 450 degrees. Start. We're going to let that preheat. We'll come back to it. So once your oven is preheated to 450 degrees, we're going to put I got broccoli, cauliflower, there's some carrots in here, some squash mixed among this. So we're going to put it in the oven for about 30 minutes, but we will check on it from time to time, but it takes about 30 minutes to roast. So we're going to put that in there. Pretty soon, I hear the ribs. I'm just kidding, I don't hear them. They're not doing anything, but they're going to be tasty. So let's see what's next. So we have allowed this to natural release. I'm going to open it up and take a look. Make sure it's Oh, it's all out. Ooh, look at there. I'll just separate so easily. Nice and tender. Nice and tender. You want to taste? No? Yes?
Yes.
Alright. Tell me what you think.
I like it.
She likes it. She means she loves it.
I'm gonna eat it later.
Yes, you will be eating this later. This was for dinner.
Yeah, I'm gonna eat it later.
Okay, fair enough.